Welcome back, you gorgeous and beautiful people from the internet. My name is Manzi Crypto, and today we're going to cover how mining hammers work inside Chainz Arena. So you can see right now I have an inactive hammer. If you go to the battle tab over here, I have an inactive hammer. So if you click on that and you click and you can see that there's 4 hours, 8 hours, and 16 hours. First of all, you have to know the lower hour amount you buy, the cheaper it becomes. It's not like buying a product out there like milk, for example. The more gallons or the more liters of milk you purchase, the cheaper it becomes. It doesn't work like that. This is more of a convenience sake. You have to buy it every 4 hours. If you buy 2 of them, which you can stack 2 of them as well, the cheaper it is, the more inconvenient it is, the cheaper it becomes. So if you buy 2 16-hour hammers, it will be more expensive than if you were buying, I don't know, the equivalent of that, like 10 or 15 of the 4-hour hammers. So just keep that in mind. That is cheaper if you buy the lower amount of time in the mining hammer. The other thing also is you can see what rewards you're going to get over here. You're going to get mech. This is the mech icon. For you, it might be MOBOX. For you, it might be nothing, right? Depending on how your cumulative points is, which I will cover inside the very next video. You can also see you're getting extra gold, extra... you're going to get boxes, which we'll cover right now. And you have increased spirit as well. So the boxes, you can see I have an open loot chest over here. If I click on that, you can see that I have 1 box over here that is 2 hours, right? If I click on that one, you can see that I am going to get anything between this and that amount of MOBOX. This and that amount of gold, spirit, books, and scrolls, summoner scrolls, which we'll cover at a later stage of the video. So this right here is what I'm going to receive. I'm also going to get between this and that amount of loot. So it's going to be between 2-star white and 1-star blue. I'm going to get 2 to 6 of those equipment. So it's very useful to have chests. It's going to help you provide better strength for the next throughout the season, if that makes any sense. So the other thing we have to mention, okay, I'm going to unlock this. You can also pay tickets to open the chest immediately, which I'm not going to do in this case. You can see your rewards over here for being AFK. And also the other thing that this also covers by having a mining hammer is if you have a guild and you go into the guild tab, you can also see that if you have a mining hammer, somewhere it should say here. Yeah, so if you have a mining hammer, you'll get 400% additional rewards. So you're going to get more guild tokens as well, which is really, really good. It will, well, it's not that great. I don't know, once these guild technologies and stuff is going to be completed, it might be actually more, it might be actually better for you down the line. So just keep that in mind. You can also go to the guild store and see what you can purchase with the guild tokens. However, this is covering the mining hammer, and I think this ends the video right here. From beginning to end, what mining hammer will do, how much it costs. You can see it changes every now and then. Most probably will stay the same for a while, but it costs 1 MOBOX, and this is all the rewards you get out of it. Faster gold, spirit, loot timers. You also get mech, or MOBOX or nothing, depending on your cumulative points, which I'll cover in the very next video. Then you have additional guild tokens that you can receive as well, which you can spend on a different shop by buying stuff like equipment or extra spirit or more books or pretty much anything like that. Anyway, if you did enjoy the video, please remember to leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the very next video. Love you guys, take care, and as always, remember to twist some nips. Take care, bye-bye.